Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can change or basically verify your own identity on Coinbase. This is very important as you would not be able to do anything within this platform without verifying your identity. So let's go right through it. To verify your identity, you would need to go to any section of the page. So when you try to log in for the first time, they will require you to actually verify it. So click on this button right here, and then you need to select your ID type. Now it will depend really on your IP, depending on where you are located. They will tell you which verification you would have preferred in your country. So there is driver license and identity card. So by selecting your ID type on the screen, you agree that our service providers collection, use, and storage of your biometric information for identity verification. This is something that you need to actually understand. Now, what if you don't have anything of these IDs? You can click here, and here they will tell you an article that you can go through to actually verify your identification. So here, as you can see, there is different kind of identity verification depending on the country where you are located. So here you have all type of identity, and here you have all type, like here, supported identity documents and supported proof of address document issued within the last 3 months. So here, for example, let me check my case here. So I go to Morocco. As you can see here, we have driver license, national identity card, passport, residence permit, and foreign national ID. And here for the address, we have bank statements, credit card statements, and utility bill. So simply just check for your country, check for the actual supported card that are supported by this website, and simply go through here. For example, identity card, simply just drop here a photo of the front and the back, then upload it, and you will verify your ID. Very simple and very easy. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.